Hello, good evening, my brothers and sisters. Good evening, wherever you are. The time where you are watching me from. Thank you, and God bless you all. I beg, my brother, this video when I dey do so, now because of what I see for WhatsApp, they send them to my WhatsApp. The way they take put fire for where black they live. We don't even know who put that fire now. We don't know where the fire from they come. You understand? So because the people who did that, they already died. Now the people who did the next compound. You know what I said that building. Then the reason why I dey select building where we say I go stay because get some building where they go just build there. They do I said all this where they put people, they go build down far. When you go even the call ambulance self before you go reach, before you go even come, everybody don't roast finish. You understand? Imagine the stories the way we had about two boys jump from there. But they not survive am. They jump, they not survive am. You understand? In fact, the way their bone take twist. Ah, no. It's so horrible. It's so horrible. What did they happen to black? It's so horrible. How can a human being have that mind to put fire for where people they live? What did they can't do you reach like that? Which kind of hatred na can't get for black? Even people where even the ambulance will still come. As those ambulance they there, they don't rush anybody go hospital. They just wait more those boys give up before they begin to use nylon to tie them. So Nigerians now, if you know so you be Nigeria, anywhere where you dey, try to protect yourself because nobody go fight for you. Try to protect yourself. If anything happen to you, you be the next chicken where they want throw for dustbin. Everybody, including me, we need to protect ourselves. We need to be very, very careful for what we do because Nigerians, as long you are in Nigeria, my dear, you are a chicken. As long you are in Nigerians, anything that happen to you, my dear, your blessing they kill chicken. Nobody in the house. When this bird go carry chicken picking, he go cry around. You don't see anybody where go fight for her. He go leave her make carry go. Now so Nigeria children they be for this Europe where they so. For this Europe where they so Nigeria children they be. We be like far away. We say nobody they fight for. Look at how they burn that house. Even the apartment where they did, that fire even did. Nobody know how that fire take enter now. So that they jump from up, come down. Even the one where even run out, fire they burn. They never even die, they breathe. According to the people who did the video, the way they talk, if you listen to them, they don't even rush any of them. Go hospital. If you know so you be Nigeria, they very careful for anywhere where you dey. They careful for what you they do because nobody go fight for you. If you anything just happen to you, you'll be like say now chicken we then throw for inside dustbin. You don't understand? I beg if you now come across this video, wanna share the video. Share and make the video reach where it's supposed to reach. Share the video, I beg. I dey use God beg all of una. Wanna share this video. Share and make our government see what they happen. Especially Edo State governor. Make it see what they happen. Make it see what did they happen. Those people who they talk for this, so they be Bini, they be Edo states because the language that they speak. That make me know say them be Edo. Make this thing reach our Oba of Bini. Make the thing reach their hand. Make this video reach there. Make them find solution to the problem of Edo State. Especially Edo State children. Now they travel. Now they go everywhere. They want rock. Everybody want rock more for house. They believe say our country not good. And where they come now suffer. They not get people now. They go shocking there for one house where be say nobody. In fact, you not go even carry that area again. Now so if you look at so blah then for that area. Upon everything will happen. No, you come out for street. You go know now that building they just build down. Also so Nigeria that they park for there. I beg my people, may I put the video. Mona watch am, mona see how human being they die. Although I not go put that place where be say really dey horror where I not go put am because if I put am, maybe YouTube fit block me. And wetin be their own now. So make I try my best if the video go fit enter YouTube. Thank you all, my people. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that anytime I upload that video, you'll be the first to receive my video. Thank you. Bye.
Those are the cars. This one going to
Where? Lale one black person come on.
And there's a whole race waiting on the road to rescue them. Go from head to toe. Person don't go from the more dead blue. From head to toe. Body up key. What you put on this like that?
Ever wire over. Yeah, what could have been? And then I read it, what about
on n'a pas fini de dire, on va la puce au web.
You said they will smoke together, living for fishing.
No job, no police call you better pass this one than mine.
No, why you not to try Maturi?
You will know this thing can't different up jump. Jesus.
Hallelujah.
How can all you call me to work for day with your shower? You can let it there once I don't call you.
I will not go away. In a way, it's Miladari.
People forgot to exploit it. Nigeria don't fear Nigeria.
Another one, well, you know, where is it? I'm not there now. You can't see the other one.
This one don't put down for you. Don't you go that guy Pierre.
Which one?
Where you come from that place, don't enter ladder so.
And more children. So this are the fire so. Mona go fast now.
Keep up you.
Well, I'm not rescue and I hope you have to. I say, I know you have my brother. I was them here, yo. You know, I'm them here, yo. I'm managing the car to what you have, Baba. I'm managing. Me, I guess I'm going on grassing and no worry. On y a dit comment ça va. Dans les derniers, big one. Where we going to buy money? You woman, I think you go take the make the rules. The center, up for them. I think you go see the car. I'm able to okay. And then why is he a machine? Why is he like that? Feel like that. Yeah, my mom, yo. And I'm at it by blue. Like, when that's you just see people, no house.
This is wickedness, serious one.
No house. You just see people. Just they use people, they trade market.
No, don't them for here now. They don't do their work. They don't come out. Don't do them for here now.
This one when you all stand that how many people you want 50 when you stand like
You are not able to hear what you talk about. They are mad, eh?
no, not the police. You know when she just stand like saying
They are not able, they are mad, and now able to be read devil. As just that their heart. You thought of the word to disturb yourself.
Four people just dancing. Which kind of
Yeah, my place, that place today when I get full like this, Africa. They are full on. So far, the people they trade business.
All this will happen. Nothing they will talk for this month now.
Nothing.
As you not carry the different. Finish. As sorry, and the one of they are finished.
You never know that they are very wicked.
Well, the people, nothing they to attention.
But they'll say I'm black now with
See with our useless president Ahmadu Buhari the chairman, may he come out and make cut of the chairman and made a beat and beat chairman from over here. He never balance for the day, the create chairman for
This boy for not die.
Yes!
For not
You're not supposed to die.
So good 1 hour, you see they breathe. You for not die.
France is wicked.
No, this was too wicked. For good 1 hour, 30 minutes, you still breathing. He was breathing.
Very wicked. Any France you see in Nigeria or in any Africa, you will burn him alive. You never spend them anymore. Fuck them. Never. This guy not good. This boy, you know how many hours he take breathe for here? He breathed. This guy was breathing more than 20 minutes. 20 minutes don't reach to rest guy is dead already. Very useless country. Fuck them, fuck their country. Useless people.
I tell you that body that they carry like this, live. Allah, they tell you. But yesterday I last 12 to 9 day last. Yesterday 12, steady like this, yeah. Steady now and dead body.
All this police, not the day when all these Arabu they said. They never come reach like this before. Every Nigerian to come home. Any first one that live in your country, come in your life. That's all. That's only home. That is the major talk. Don't start making noise here.
The first go France embassy go put fire.
When are they call every France? When are they burn their house? Because these people now they put fire for you.
I tell you that see I'm not dead body. Don't you see us to use up our brothers? Just they tell me, just here, Nigeria government, I need to even the year self, no, I don't even know what to do. Yeah, now there's body like this. Just the way Africans are suffering, just imagine. Look at the way we are suffering.
What else are you doing for here?
Then they cut the water now. Now water be that. Then they cut the water.
They block her.
They don't block all the water. Now the water for this.
They carry the console. They carry servers.
Now for here they use to work this thing. Now for here as they use come out they open and
So my people, now don't see the video now. Now don't see what here happen. I bet when I leave in a comment beside the comment box. More try to know what you want to do about this thing. We need to fight for this thing. We don't supposed to leave and make go like that. We don't feel let this thing just go like that. Maybe say those boys just die for nothing. No. We're not supposed to leave them. Their parents now believe that they're Europe, abi. Our parents for Nigeria, I believe people, I just go beg una. When they train on our children, train your children to the right way. Show them the right way for life. Benin boys believe now. All what they believe on our money. They don't want to suffer. They don't care for anything at all. All what they do for now, they work on Europe. And if they explain to them, say this Europe not good. They go tell you, say, Mama, you did there, why you not come house? They will say you did there, Mama, why you not come house? They don't know, say, not be everybody. Travel, na part of education, but not be everybody in destiny, say make it travel. Some of us will go force ourselves, giddy, come to Europe, finish. They will come, they regret them. Me, I don't say anybody not come Europe. If you get paper, you see person won't carry you come with document, with working document, with a regular way. You are free to come Europe. But now this illegal way, you should stop. Stop trying to do something for yourself. Nigeria, especially at those states, we get enough land where people are supposed to farm. If your village town don't come open, your village, you don't see land again. All of them, they say land. Now they forget about future. Now they forget in our land, and they bring food. Now they forget in our land, and they bring everything. Now they remain anything for our children again. When they come, they will nothing, empty-handed. Benin people, they beg una. Now when Yahoo come, everybody they go to chook their children for Yahoo. Both the ones supposed to go school, both the ones supposed to learn life, they go to chook them for Yahoo. They don't want to do anything again. They want to try big car like that. Now just want make manna fall from heaven. This one a warning for Benin people. Benin people, they don't train their children for school. Few Benin people they train their children for school. Few. We be say, especially all the poor people we just did. Average of the masses now they suffer for their children. Benin people, the parents they don't want to suffer for children, but they want to make sure they suffer for them. Now only Benin me and say mama no dey cater for children. Pikin wey put for belle for 9 months, you know they think how that pikin go take survive for life. You know go think good thing for that pikin. When the pikin just go, if na small pikin, you don't they get breast, you go pack your breast like this. Oh yeah, can't go Europe. If na small boy, they go they use the head and yahoo you go do. When they even born pikin, they go they pray for us and yahoo you go turn to. Benin people, you people are one. You people are one. The way one of the thrown our children, the one of the thrown our children, it baffle me. Because say your mates begin to drive Oma. Everybody want drive Oma. People they sing for YouTube. Everybody want sing. What's it been a problem? Bini. Huh? All of them they do presenter birthday, happy birthday. All of them are birthday now. I got the birthday now. Ooh, I pity you now. I pity you now. Even though say parents not even want struggle for you. Parents not even want to do anything for you. Can't you see that? When you are above the age of 6 years, 7 to 8 years, you can think. You can think. Not to talk of adults of 20-something years. No one just make her like that. Now see, you got your webo. They don't use this, they don't do if none, even the video when they watch. Now when they pick the sense, the only thing people go they do now, they go they cost when they do the video. Now only that one, they just be this Benin this thing come. Now they fight, they sort of basically for social media. See fight when are supposed to fight now. Una not fight them. Muna day one. Bye bye.